Come on, guys. Hard, real hard. Keep everything locked. Nice. Squeeze your abs. Bring your knees. Close your chest. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and roll. Up. Nice. Take your time. Squeeze. Remember, you can do it. Go to a lighter weight. As long as you give me all you got. And 3, 2, hold on the plank. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your arms. You see that? Everything is locked, everything is tight. Hold. That's how you get in real shape. Almost there. Hold it. 2, 1. Everything is...
No magic, just hard work. Beast cardio.
Stretch.